back to another video. So my house is pretty quiet at the minute apart from my window being open, so I thought I'm going to try and do a video without having to do a voiceover. Believe it or not, I can't stand doing voiceovers. I don't like it. I do much rather prefer to speak during my videos, but I've got a very noisy house. I've got 3 dogs that are very vocal all the time. I've got a parrot with separation anxiety that goes mental when he's left on his own. But my house is full. Everybody's in that's normally in. It's just my partner's chilling on the settee watching a film. The dogs are chilling with him, and the parrot's quiet because he's got company. So we'll see how long it lasts. Right. This is a back to school set I'm doing. All the kids are going back to school. So yeah. Right, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to need a black and a white. I'm using Model 1's black and Saviland white. The Saviland white is called Pure Realm and it's number PT002. So as usual, I'll just do one coat, cure for 30 seconds, and I'll do the second coat off camera. Right, the thumb and the middle finger is going to be black and the other 3 are going to be white. Right, I'm just going to get them into cure for 30 seconds and I'll give them a second coat off camera. Right, that's them 2 coats. I've wiped the tacky layer off as well. I'm using this Beetles number 282 because it's kind of, I think this is, it's not the jelly one, it's just from the Neon collection, but it's quite sheer. Because on the white nails I want these white nails to look like they are lined paper, like school paper. So I'm using this blue because it's quite sheer. I don't want the lines to be big and bold. I'm probably just going to show you doing this one nail. I might even speed this up because it's going to take me forever. Yeah, I'm going to, all these white nails, I'm just going to draw really thin. Very thin blue lines across them. Yeah, it's going to take me all day, this. And it's going to be very, very fiddly. I think what I'll do as well, I'll do one line and I'm going to flash cure every single line. Because if I make a mistake and I have to wipe it all off, I won't be happy. So yeah, I'm going to cure. Every 1 or 2 lines I'm going to flash cure it, but I'm definitely going to have to speed this up, guys. It's going to take me all day. Right guys, that's them all done. What I've ended up doing is, because it was quite dark around the edges and then quite pale around the middle, I give them a second coat and I've neatened them up a bit. That's just took me nearly an hour to do them 3. Right, I'm going to stick some of this red from Mifa. In fact, I'm not going to stick it on my palette, I'm just going to use it out the bottle because I only need 1 line. And I want to do the red line that you get that goes down school paper. Gosh. So I'm going to try and get a nice long straight red line straight down. I'm quiet because I'm concentrating, guys. Right, I'm happy with that. Once I've got it where I want it, I can then go in and neaten it up. But yeah, that looks like school paper to me. Right, I'll quickly get these other 2 done and then I'll get them cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, whilst them other two are curing in the lamp, I'm going to give these a quick coat of my favourite matte top coat from Princess Nails by Diana. The brush on this matte top coat is so soft. It's the softest brush I've ever used. It's just so nice and smooth to use. I love it. Yeah, these black nails, I want them to kind of look like a blackboard with white chalk on, so that's why I'm giving these a matte top coat. Right, I'm going to stick these in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, on this thumb, now I just want to write back to school, and I'm going to use this She Modern matte opaque white because I just think it will give more of the effect like it's written in chalk, if you know what I mean. And once I've done that, I'm going to draw a pencil and some pen marks on these ones. So I'm just going to put some music on these parts, I think, and let you watch. I can't believe my house has stayed quiet. Right, and lastly what I'm going to do on this one, I've pulled some of these little silver holographic letters out. So I'm going to give this nail a base coat and stick some of them letters on. And then I'll get that cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. And that's all I'm going to do, I think. Right, I top coated this, fouled and buffed it, and I buffed a bit of the K off and the B. I made a right bloody mess of it. Right, what I've also pulled out to stick on from Charlie's Nail Art is a little apple, fruit Fimo, and a fidget spinner. So, when we get these top coated, I was thinking of putting that in matte. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave that one in matte, and I'll do the rest of them in glossy, because I want that to look like it's a blackboard. Yeah, I was going to do this one in matte as well, but you won't see the holographic on the letters if I put it in matte. So I'm going to stick it in shiny. Yeah, I made a mess of this middle finger, but it's all good. It's fine. I actually put 2 coats of top coat on it before I buffed it, but I think some of them were sticking out that much that even 2 coats didn't quite cover the edges. But it's fine. Right, I'm just going to stick these into the top coat like I always do. Oh shit, right. I'm going to have to give this a matte top coat so I can stick the apple into it. So yeah, I'll give this another coat of matte top coat. This one. And I'm just going to stick that little Fimo slice apple into this one. Oh, so many things has gone wrong with this set. And you know, it's took me hours because of them little blue lines. Right, I don't know where to put this apple. I think I'm just going to stick it there. Yeah. Right. And this fidget spinner. It is a fidgety little bugger. It is curved though. That's what I love about all these little charms from Charlie's. I don't know where to put it. Do you know something? I'm just going to plonk it on the pinky. Oh shit. Yeah, all these charms from Charlie's, they're all curved. I really like that about them. But obviously this pinky's that small, it's not going to lie that flat. Right, I'm going to get them cured in the lamp. I'm so embarrassed. Right, yeah, I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 60 seconds, that's them done. Right guys, that's my back to school set done. What do you think? Gosh, look at my hand. That's that white sheen modern paint. Oh, I need to get that off now I've seen it. I need to get it off now I've seen it. It's going to do my head in. Yeah, that's my back to school set. Oh, I can't look at it. I need to get it off. I like this. I like this. I don't like this. The fidget spinner. Anyway guys, yeah, that's it for today. My Charlie's nail art discount code will be up on the screen and the link to Charlie's will be in the description box. But yeah, that's my back to school set. That's my effort anyway. Do you know, I think this is the worst set of nails I've ever done. Since I started my channel, I mean. The worst set of nails I've ever filmed. But yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe. Remember to hit the little bell so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, bye.